guys. Hangover galore. Labad sa ulo. Labad ulo. Messy hair. Don't care. Mga kuyo guys. Si Pikachu 1, Pikachu 2. So joiner ako karon. Kanya hangover. Good luck. God bless. So, naabot ta sa part na manunod mi og lasang wala lang kabaloas padulong. Good luck. Good luck. Padili mo wrong turn. Okay na karon. Bye. Bato-bato naman eh. Asa naman yung gawas? Karong yan po among kalag ng dili mi masaag. Sumorre to day. Joke. Umorre kayo agad ng lasang. So, we're back. Open trail. Finally, after 2.5 hours, we arrived at Sunog Gym. How's the trek, doggy? Yes, nice sparkles. Like sparkles. Like and subscribe. Sabawi. Ang paboritong chili ace ng bayan, HNY. Uy, maligsan ka! Unsa? Manguhit na siya.
Anaon biya tanong, ano yung world's wildest
Dog. So guys, mana ang kahit ka party, mga to na ta. Mga to na ta. Boom! And nanami sa Barangay Sunog nga registration area for Mount Mauyog. And as you can see, Mount Mauyog is covered with fog. Aka to, over there. This is my fourth time sa Mauyog. Yobo na. So malakas ang Mauyog guys. Na to ang Mauyog guys, so mga dudumi sa
Manunggal.
Finally, we are here at Manunggal's campsite and it's already 6 p.m. almost 7 p.m. rather, and takhan ka tao guys. So na siya, ngit-ngit na, so halong na. See you tomorrow.
I did it again.
Sige, mga mashup.
Morning guys, we're here at the campsite of Mount Manunggal and it's still early. It's like 6 a.m. and we're just having our breakfast. And yeah, takan kay tao diri. Oh, tents everywhere. So later on we will go to the monolith and adventure time. And apparently kasaag di guys. So nabot biglayo kayo. Pero okay naman gyapon kanilot ang view. Padayon ta.
Yeah.
Singing this song, I see I was wrong. To tame you down, I was the clown. I'm singing this song, I see I was wrong. To tame you down, I was the clown. I know now what you're all about. I've had the time to run out. I pray for the touch of your hand. Your love is so, so grand. Oh, baby.
And we are back at the campsite. Medyo nasaagan niya. Pero happy gyapon. Siguro. Ay na to. Okay po sabi guys.
Like and subscribe, peeps.
And Latino. And we are heading home. Kapoy Roy.
Beam! OMG!
Bloopers too. Bam! Bam! So that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and see you on the next vlog. Peace. Bye.